A beautiful शेर was recited, महफिलों में नाम उनका छेड़िए, जाने दुश्मन पर क़यामत कीजिए। आला हज़रत इमाम अहले सुन्नत रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु is the naked sword for the enemies of Islam. He was the true manifestation of Ashidda'u alal kuffar. He was the true manifestation of al-hubbu fillah wal-bughzu fillah. Love should be for Allah and the hatred should be for Allah as well. Ala Hazrat did not hate anybody for any personal reason. People wrote hundreds of letters insulting him, abusing him. Did he ever write a book against those people? No. But if anyone insulted Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala or his beloved Rasul, then Ala Hazrat became restless and he performed his duty. He was a true believer, and that was the quality of the true believer. As Allama Iqbal describes a true believer, ho halqa-e yaran to baresham ki tare narm, ho halqa-e yaran to baresham ki tare narm, razme haqqo batil ho to faulad hai mu'min. That is the quality of the believer, that if he is in friends, then he is soft like silk. And if he has to confront the enemies, if he has to confront the batil and the falsehood, then he is solid like a rock. And this was the maslak of Imam Ahl Sunnat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Nowadays, people accuse Ala Hazrat that he was too hard, he was not compromising. And there are many people who even claim to be Sunnis. There are many people who even claim to be the lovers of Ala Hazrat. But they fail to practice the path of Ala Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Ala Hazrat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu clears his position very nicely in his Malfuzat. He says, people today come and they say, don't talk bad about the people. Don't say anything bad about the people. People must not be offended. Let's get united. Let's have the unity. He gave one very beautiful example. He said, ask those people, if anyone comes and swears your mother, will you have unity with him? He says, the people abuse and sway the mother of all the believers, al-Mu'mineen Sayyidina Siddiqa radiyallahu ta'ala anha. They openly say and they openly write. And you come and advise us that we must go and have unity with those people? He says, if anyone comes, you advise us, forgive, forgive. But if anyone comes and swears you, you don't forgive. You will sue him, you will take him to the court. Or if you have some other sources to take the revenge, you might send gangsters or whichever other form of taking revenge. You might be powerful, you will use that and take the revenge and stop that. Stop that abuse. If anyone swears your mother, you make sure that that abuse is being stopped. And you advise us, keep quiet if anyone comes and swears the mothers of the believers. This was the maslak of Imam Ahl Sunnat radiyallahu ta'ala anhu. Stay on that path, stay on that maslak. Inshallah al-Aziz, that is the degree of the salvation and the success.